Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to fix your account does not meet the requirement in Valorant. First of all, fix first is enable the secure boot and TPM 2.0. For this, press Windows R and tpm.msc search and hit enter. Then guys, enter the BIOS or UF setting during the setups and navigate to security, secure boot and enable secure boot or TPM device to enable discrete TPM 2.0. Then guys, save the changes and exit the BIOS to restart your system. After that, verify your Riot age and status. For this guys, first of all visit the official Riot game account management and log in into Riot game account link. Ensure it's meet check your registered date of birth in your account profile and ensure it meet the minimum age requirement for your region. After that, review and active your account restriction or the suspicious notification and contact the Riot support if you believe your age status is incorrect. Another thing is guys, active two-factor authentication. For this, go Riot game account, login with your ID, navigate to the security and the login verification. Look at the option enable two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen prompt and you verify that your two-factor authentication setup will provided code. Okay. Then guys, repair and reinstall the Valorant. For this, corrupted or missing game files can prevent Valorant from launching game and lead to a requirement error. So open the Riot client, click on the Valorant game tiles and select the setting and choose the repair from the drop down menu. Allow the client to scan and fix any damaged game files. If repairing doesn't work, so uninstall and reinstall the Valorant completely. Update Windows OS and the graphic driver. So outdated system or the driver can cause compatibility issues. Open the Windows setting, click choose for the update, visit your graphic card manufacturer website, download and install the latest driver for your specified GPU. Perform a clean installation or graphic driver if prompted, then restart your PC after all updates are installed. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.